Hi everyone, Leonard here, reviewing the Airbnb in Copenhagen. Wunderbar! So we rented an Airbnb in Copenhagen. It's actually a very big apartment. There's let's see, a kitchen, a bathroom, a dining room, a living room, and 2 bedrooms. So for Europe standards, that's pretty big. There's a nice balcony, nice little garden area. There's actually a washing machine, which is kind of rare in a lot of these Airbnbs. It's bright, it's airy, it's clean, and it's a reasonable price. So the pros, it's very close to the metro station, about a 2-minute walk. So you can get here from the airport in about 25 minutes, which is great. And then you can get to most places in town with a 2-minute walk and a metro ride. Other pros are that it's close to a grocery store, so we've been getting lots of food and water and beer, which saves a lot of money and is a lot more healthy. It's better to be able to eat some meals here and cook them ourselves rather than eat out for every single meal. So that gets old pretty quick, especially on a long trip. The beds are comfortable, which is nice. The shower's got plenty of hot water and good water pressure. So the cons, it's on a busy street and it's kind of noisy in the 1 bedroom that is alongside the street. Not kind of noisy, it's really noisy, especially in the morning when everyone's up and running and the trash trucks are coming, and yeah, it gets loud. Also got the same problem that a lot of hotels have, where we can hear the people above us stomping around, and it's pretty loud stomping, so bring earplugs. The other cons are there weren't any shampoo or soap any of that provided, which again, the grocery store is nearby, so we were able to pick some up, but a lot of the Airbnbs do provide those. And the only other con is that the owner, Stig, who's incredibly nice and told us all about things to do in Copenhagen, he's a little hard to get a hold of. It takes him a while to respond to messages, and when you're in another country and you have a question about something or you're trying to firm up a reservation, that can get a little stressful. So if you want to contact Stig, just give yourself plenty of time. He always does respond, it just takes him a little while. Alright, so that's all. I would recommend this place. We looked at a lot of places in Copenhagen and they were all pretty expensive. Hotels are pretty expensive. So this place was a deal. 2 bedrooms for, I think it was about under $200 a night. So It's not a bad deal. So I would recommend it.